Hello, this is Tom from Stafford Audi, and today I'll be taking you around this approved used vehicle which we've just had come into stock here at the dealership. This is the Audi A6 Avant Black Edition, the 40 TDI engine and the Quattro S-Tronic automatic transmission. This particular model is finished in the stunning Glacier white metallic paintwork and looks super sporty and stylish from every angle. From the 2-litre diesel engine you get 201 brake horsepower with 400 Nm of torque, getting you from 0 to 60 in around 7.4 seconds and onto a top speed of 149 miles per hour. On the front we have these fabulous LED headlights with LED daytime running lights, giving you maximum visibility regardless of weather condition. And on all four corners, these 20-inch Audi Sport cast aluminium 5 V-spoke star design alloy wheels finished in matte titanium with a diamond cut finish, offering a lovely contrast to that white metallic paintwork. With the electrically operated tailgate open, you get 565 litres of boot space, perfect for your everyday essentials and weekend away luggage, and with the rear seats folded down you get 1,680 litres, perfect for those larger, bulkier items. The interior is finished in part leather, part Alcantara for maximum luxury, and on the comfort front we have the centre armrest and the rear air vents so the rear passengers get taste of the air conditioning. Both outer seats are fitted with Isofix points so you can safely and securely travel up to 2 child seats in the rear of the vehicle. In the front we have the flat bottom S-Line multifunction steering wheel with the Audi virtual cockpit behind, central touchscreen display as well as the dual zone climate control. Both front seats are sport seats with the S badge embossing at the top and are fully electrically adjustable with 4-way electric lumbar support, so finding your perfect driving position has never been easier, and for the driver we have 2 options of preset for memory function. The virtual cockpit can be configured to your preference using the left side of the multifunction steering wheel. On the right is your volume and voice controls with mid-journey phone calls, and underneath to the left your cruise control and speed limiter for those precious motorway miles per gallon. From the central touchscreen display you can access Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, DAB and FM radio stations, or simply navigation. Under the climate control is the Audi Drive Select, giving you maximum control of the overall feel and drive of the vehicle, as well as the Park Assist button which brings up the 360-degree camera system to make parking all the easier. Or should you choose, you can use the Park Assist where it is automated. All you have to do is follow instructions for gears and braking and accelerating. With a dual zone climate control, both driver and passenger be at different temperatures or synchronised if you're in the car on your own, and both front seats have 3 levels of heat to them, which is perfect for those cold winter mornings. If you like a look at this vehicle, do not hesitate to get in contact or simply come and take a look for yourself.